YouTubers, hey, check it out. In 1 minute, I'm going to teach you how you can make maybe like 3 grand a month recurring income with a special software that's going to do 90% of the work for you. So watch this entire video. I'm going to stammer. I'm going to be non-linear because I haven't been feeling well, but I wanted to make a video today because I didn't want to miss a week without a video. I've been on YouTube for like 8 or 9 years. I don't even know. And I don't think, well, maybe once in all that time, I didn't meet the deadline of putting up 1 video a week. So I didn't want that to happen twice. So what I'm getting at is bear with me if this isn't the best video as far as effects and jump cuts and all that nonsense. But the content and the concept is going to be really strong. And I think it can make you guys, some of you guys, some good money. And I'm talking about recurring income, like 3 grand a month. You know, I mean, 3 grand a month may not sound like much, but that could be a house payment. It could be a car payment. It could be a grub stake to get into some other business. This could work for you. So what am I talking about? Again, watch this whole video because I'm going to ramble here. I'm showing you my website, thekinghumanelite.com. It's an online education academy where I teach people how to make money online. I'm not pitching you on that. What I want to show you is this here. Down here, see that little button? That's a chatbot. So if I click on that, it's already started. Actually, let me reload this page. This is how bad I'm feeling. I can't even concentrate. So let me click on this, and it's going to start this chatbot. Now, this chatbot is an automated robot that is like a customer service agent, right? It's always working for me, and it's on my website. So what is this about, Kinghuman? How do I make money? So what? A chatbot. You have a chatbot on your website. Who gives 1/5 of a half-eaten shit? Well, you do. You should, because this is going to make you money. Let me get into this and show you something. There are a ton of businesses out there that will gladly pay you to be able to put a chatbot like I just showed you on their website, because people know the value of that. People who have websites, businesses. There are a million businesses out there that have websites and they don't have a chatbot working for them. It's stupid. It's ridiculous because a chatbot can do so many things. So what can a chatbot do? Well, first of all, it can provide customer service. It can lead people towards a sale. It can answer their questions. It can give out discount coupons. It can collect email addresses and follow up and build a email list. It can do so many things that businesses really need for their website. It's like having an extra employee that basically works for free. So what I'm showing you here is a platform that you can become a member of. And why would you become a member of it? Well, I'm showing you a bunch of done-for-you templates. These are all chatbot templates, right? But the cool thing is you can sell these to all kinds of businesses. And before you freak out and go, oh my God, I got to sell a bot to a business, that's going to be hard. It's really freaking easy. It's done for you. There's going to be marketing materials. It's so cool. Just bear with me and watch this. So first, before I get into the actual selling, because I've got a real cool trick that I think will work with this, I want to show you a few of these chatbots. So let's say like here's a florist chatbot. If I click on preview, we can see what's doing here. Okay, so the chatbot starts up and it says, hi there, welcome to First for Flowers. My name is Fleur. Are you looking to brighten up someone's day? Yes. So you can see what's going on here. It's basically going to take a customer through a process, answer questions, ask questions. There's a whole thing going on here. It's actually pretty damn cool. Now, the cool thing about this is this is a template, and it's real easy to edit this. So let's say, well, let me click on this and I'll show you what's doing behind the scenes here. So this is the structure of the actual chatbot, and you can see there's a lot going on here. This is a decision tree. So for instance, this is an intro, and I can change this to whatever I want it to say. Hi there, welcome to Flowers by Sam, or whatever my potential client would be, right? I can just change that just by clicking on it and changing the text. And then I click save, right? Now, these boxes are fully programmable, and you can move these things around, but it's all done for you. And I can see here that even one of these boxes says, hey, give us your phone number or call us. Okay, we'll be happy to discuss your bouquet or whatever. I mean, these things can be edited to no end. The other thing you can do in here is put clickable links. You can collect email addresses. There's no end to what you can do in here. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to edit these chatbots, right? Because that's what it comes down to. And then what you're going to do is, and this is where my genius comes in, what I would do is I would make a chatbot, let's say a demo chatbot for a florist, right? I would go in here, or I would use this just as is, and I would send it to somebody who is a florist, a local florist, and they don't have a chatbot on their website. And I would just simply say, hey, look at this chatbot I made for your website. This is really valuable to you because here's what it's going to do. It's going to work for you 24/7. It's going to provide customer service. It's going to help people. It's going to take them through the process of a sale. It's going to build people on your email list that you can market to later. It's going to collect phone numbers. It's going to do all these different things. Why don't you have one of these, you idiot, you? I'm just kidding. I wouldn't say that to a potential customer, but you get the idea. And the other thing I would do is there are people selling these chatbots for hundreds of dollars, right? On Upwork.com right now. There are people selling these chatbots for hundreds of dollars. And I suggest you do something different, which is instead of selling them, charge a monthly fee. Set up a demo bot for somebody and set it up on their website and say, look, I'll let you use this free for 10 days. After that, it's going to be $30 a month. Well, $30 a month is good income. You get 100 of these out there, which I don't think would be hard to do. You're making $3,000 a month recurring income. So that just gives you an idea, right? So these are really cool because they're so easy to put out there and they're so easy to show people why they need them, right? So I want to show you something. I just did a quick search here. So I just did a quick search for injury lawyers, local injury. I didn't even put in local. I just put injury lawyers. And this one was the first one I came to. Now, wait a minute. Before we go there, why is this important? Because this is a paid ad. And why does that make a difference? Because this guy knows he has to pay money to make money. He's willing to pay for advertising. So this is somebody that is willing to spend money to get sales. So if I go to his website, I notice he does not have a chatbot. He's got an up arrow, which will take me to the top of the page, but he doesn't have a chatbot on here. This guy needs a chatbot. Injury attorneys make a ton of money. If you contact somebody like this and say, hey, idiot, you're missing the boat. I see you're paying for advertising, but your customer service isn't working. You need to put an automated chatbot robot on your website that will make sales for you. Let me provide one for you. Let me put a demo on your website. We'll do it for free for 10 days. And then it's only $30 a month thereafter. Look, this guy is not going to even balk at $30 a month. This guy is, to get on the top position of this, he's in the #1 position of 210 million results. You know how much he's paying for that? And you think he's going to balk at $30 a month, even $100 a month? Not even going to blink. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Now, the other thing I've done here, because again, I'm not feeling well and I'm not even sure I'm communicating what I need to communicate here, I have made a simple bot demo. Let me refresh this page. A simple bot demo where you can come and see a demo bot that I made. Now, here's the other cool thing I want to show you. Look at this. Down here it says powered by Kinghuman. That could be powered by the name of your bot agency. That could be, you know, cindysbots.com or whatever. This is cool. And yeah, if you click on that, it'll take you to my website. But let's just check this out. This is just a demo bot. Do you have a website or blog? No, I don't have a website or blog. Why are you bugging me? Okay, that's fine. No problemo. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, I don't want to show you the whole bot because you'll do that yourself. So below this video, there is a link to this bot. You should go through it so you can understand what's going on. By the way, this bot, I just made it like this. I didn't make a little button down here. There's a lot of different ways you can make a bot like this. I just made it like this for your ease of viewing an operation. But usually there are a lot of different ways you can do this. I'm not going to even get into it now. I don't feel well enough to even. I'm done talking. I'm going to go back to bed. But anyway, below this video, I think I've given you the idea. Below this video, I'm going to give you a link to this website where you can join it. And but if you come, before I forget, if you come through here and go through this bot, there is a discount coupon for like 15% off programmed into this bot. So the first link will be to this page, and you can come here and go through the bot demo and get your discount. If you don't want to go through the bot, fine. You can go to the direct link, which will be below that link. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I'm sorry. I don't feel well. Okay, I'm going to bed. All right, guys. Do me a solid and donate a few bucks to help us a kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. These kids need help. And what could be better, right? Okay. Bayonara, maximum respect. If you want to do me another solid, you can share this video. I got to go to bed.